It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Experience it for yourself today.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.